back to another video. Since last video, when I took out the fuse box harness and the engine bay harness in general, things have been going quite well. A bit of engine bay work. I got new sheet metal plates or panels to hide away this stuff on both sides, and I got some panels cut out, ready to be welded on both sides, of course. Yeah, I cut away some panels over here to make it look smoother and better, and of course I found some more rust holes, so it's in the works as well. But all in all, it's been going quite well. I've also cut away like brackets all around the engine bay for the expansion tank. Bespoiksvätska. I don't know what that is in English. The windshield thingamajiggy spray. A few brackets here and there, as you can see, have been cut out to make the whole engine bay look a lot cleaner once it's all done and painted. Okay, so the engine bay got cleaned up and I started removing the seam sealer, but unfortunately the drill battery died, so no more of that as for now. So that brought me to one other topic that I will have to battle here or now. This frame I will make a cut here, 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 in order to remove the whole thing. Because once when the engine bay is all painted and nice, I will put back the engine with the transmission attached to it, and there's like no way that's gonna happen if I don't remove this thing here. And later on I will weld plates on each side along with bolts going through here to here, so I can attach it properly afterwards. But that's the plan for now, so I will get started and hopefully everything goes as planned. The cuts are probably the worst ones I have ever done in my whole life. They are uneven as shit. Badly cut, uneven. Not so stoked about this, to be honest. These cuts were supposed to be those cuts that had to be quite precise in order to make the end result look sort of less seamless, or at least nice. And I kind of fucked it up. I don't know how this will turn out now that there's such uneven cuts here and here, but there will come a metal plate onto this with bolts or nuts on each side. Here I will make another sheet metal plate to cover this hole and make bolts come through 2 pair of bolts, so I can attach it here, and then I will make some type of, I will probably use some type of pipe that comes here and goes into these pillars, so it makes the whole frame reliable or sturdy. Thanks to Bensko for giving this advice. It was very helpful, although I did an awful job at cutting, but I think there's still chance to save it. But okay, so it's been quite a while since last time, but there's been quite a lot of changes around here, even though now it doesn't seem like any changes at all. But let me explain to you. So today I have actually managed to get this steel plate welded onto, well, this area, but on this side, and I have covered this pillar over here with new metal plates, so it doesn't look like this. Stay there. Okay, so other things that have happened lately is gotten this piece welded and boom, easy as whatever. There's 2 bolts per side going, well, basically forcing these sides together so it doesn't move sideways. And then I have also drilled holes and welded some washers here to make it sturdy so it doesn't move around back and forth, basically. As you can see, holes on each side, and same thing goes here, holes and bolts going through. Oh yeah, there's still plenty of stuff to do to these welds, smoothen them out, but I think I will figure that one out later on and get started on this side now. So I will clean the bottom and put some primer anti-rust spray thingy onto it and let it dry for a bit, and then I will get the rest of the parts and start welding it onto this side. Okay, so I now welded the second base plate onto the engine bay. Although the welding skills are by no means good, I think it turned out quite well. There's 2 metal plates that has to be welded here, one over here and one here. As you can see, same thing goes here. Those 2 pieces are what's left. I will do those 2 another day. It's getting quite late now, so I'll give up for today, but I will get back once I'm here again. Okay, so the engine bay is now all welded, or it should be at least. So next up is to remove or smoothen out the welds in and around the corners. After that, I will focus on removing paint, seam sealer, and whatever surface rust I can find. I will handle that too. But all in all, the majority of all welding is done now, so it feels nice.